Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to link your crypto Calm app to your DeFi wallet. First, make sure you have both the crypto Calm app and the crypto Calm DeFi wallet downloaded on your device. It's important that both apps are updated to their most recent versions for a smooth experience. Also, confirm your crypto Calm app account is fully verified and ready for transactions. To begin the linking process, open your crypto Calm DeFi wallet. Look for the Connect to Crypto Calm app option, usually found in the Settings or Profile section. Tapping this will prompt you to send a connection email to your crypto Calm app account. Open that email and authorize the connection by entering your crypto Calm app passcode. Once connected, you can easily transfer assets. Go to your crypto Calm app, select Transfer, then Withdraw, and choose Crypto. Your DeFi wallet will now appear as a selectable withdrawal option. Pick the cryptocurrency you want to move, enter the amount, and review all transaction details, including any small network fees, before confirming. After confirming the transfer in the crypto Calm app, switch back to your DeFi wallet. You should see your transferred assets reflected in your balance shortly. They are now ready for various decentralized finance activities. Remember, always double-check all addresses and details before initiating any crypto transfer to ensure your funds go to the correct destination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.